Hey everyone, it's Deepesha and today we're going to be talking about my current favorite red lipsticks. Now I know for a fact that this year has been a little bit of a slowdown for lipsticks altogether because of the masks that we are wearing. Anyway, we still need to have our red lipsticks, our classic red lipsticks for the festive season. So I've got 6 of my current favorite red lipsticks for you guys, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first shade I have here is the one I'm wearing right now. This one is the shade Bawse from Smashbox, and this is from one of the mini kits that I got. I love both of the shades in this kit, and if you want to try Smashbox liquid lipsticks, these are very nice. Especially the mini packs are amazing because you get shades of them, and it's just like 990 rupees, which is great. And it's such a comfortable liquid lipstick. I really like it. It does not feel dry on the lips. It stays all day long, and it's such a nice formulation. So I really love this liquid lipstick. Next one I have here is from Colorbar. I have been raving about this one a lot. This one is the shade Damned from their Sinful Matte Lip Color range. This is one of a beautiful orangey kind of warm red. I really love this. It's just such a pop of color. It's not even your regular red. It has a lot of orange tones in it, which makes it pop even more. I really love the formulation of the lipstick. It's very comfortable on the lips. It does not dry out, but it's matte, so it just sticks to your lips and it does not spread around everywhere. Also, the packaging feels very luxurious. I love how this clicks. It has this magnetic click and it feels very high-end, but it's not really high-end. Next I have the shade from MAC. This is called Russian Red. It's a deeper red color and it's in matte formula, so I really like it. It's very comfortable on the lips again, and it's very good for even deeper skin tones, can wear it like very nicely. And if you are a little bit scared of wearing like bright red lipsticks, this is a little bit subdued, so it goes very well with everybody. The same thing with another lipstick from MAC that I'm going to talk about. Next I have another shade from MAC. It's called Chilli. I really love this. It's such a different color. It is orangey kind of red, but it's still very subdued. So if you're not used to wearing, you're not used to wearing any bright red lips, this goes very well. If you're still looking for a red lip that is not very bright, this feels amazing on the lips. Next I have Publicity from Beauty. This is one of the most amazing red shades I have ever felt. The formula is amazing. It's a crayon lipstick, so you can carry it anywhere. I really love how this sits on my lips and it stays all day long. The shade is bright and it's out there. It's like, here I am that red lipstick that we're all talking about, like classic red lipstick. It feels exactly like that, and I really love it. The formula is very nice. The texture feels very nice and silky and soft, and it stays on your lips all day long. Last shade I have here is from Becca. This is called Rosewood, and I have recently added this in my collection. I really love this. It is very different to whatever you've seen me talk about earlier. It's a very subdued red, but it is also very satiny and creamy formula, so it just goes along the lips so beautifully. If you have dry or chapped lips and you still want to wear a red lipstick, try going in for a satiny feeling or a velvety feeling lipstick, so that won't dry your lips out completely. I really love how beautifully it sits on my lips and how beautiful it looks throughout the day. My lips look hydrated and they look so beautiful. So if you guys are sort of in the thing about wearing a red lipstick on a daily basis, there are a lot of people who wear a red lipstick on a daily basis, so this is a formula that would feel great and even look great on an everyday basis. Alright guys, so that sums up 6 of my favorite red lipsticks of this season. If you guys want any more of my favorite makeup or anything like that, I put a lot of that on Instagram, so go follow me there. Other than that, if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up. Also do subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon right next to it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Por todo yo brindo, desde lo feo hasta lo lindo. Tú eres una prueba que el mundo a mí nunca me brindó. Quería casarme.